Super Energy Bowl. Prepare the ingredients. Slice one sweet potato into thin rounds. Place a potato into a steam basket and steam over boiling water until tender. Meanwhile, cut one head of broccoli into small florets. Cut 2 carrots into thin matchstick-sized pieces. Slice 2 cucumbers into thin rounds. Slice 1 red onion into thin crescents. Chop 2 tomatoes into quarters. Grate 2 beets. Peel and slice 2 avocados. To assemble, start by filling a large salad bowl with the mixed leaves. Add baby spinach leaves. Next, arrange the ingredients individually in piles on top of the salad leaves. Place the hummus in the centre. Squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. Sprinkle with some salt and pepper and serve.